Welcome back. In today's session, we're going to continue our product sales analysis, finding the products on which customers spent the most money. This is an essential part of understanding customer purchasing behavior and identifying key revenue drivers for the business. We are working with three tables: customers, orders, and products. Customers table contains customer information such as customer number, first name, last name, postal code, and phone number. Customer number is the primary key. Orders table records the sales transaction details, including customer number, product number, part number, order date, and shipped quantity. Note that there's no primary key here, so duplicates are possible. Products table provides product details, like product number, part number, SKU description, category, and price. The combination of product number and part number uniquely identifies a product. Our task is to link these tables to figure out, for each customer, which product or products did they spend the most money on. If a customer spent the same highest amount on multiple products, we report all of them. Finally, we must return the results ordered by total money spent in descending order and customer number in ascending order if there is a tie. The sample of output result format is in the following table. Now let's walk through the SQL solution step by step. Step 1. Joining tables. We join the customers, orders, and products tables together. For each order, it collects customer details, like customer number and first name, product details including product number, part number, SKU description, price, and category, order details like shipped quantity. So at this stage, we simply have all the necessary information in one dataset. Step 2. Calculating total sales per product per customer. Firstly, groups by customer and product. For each customer-product combination, calculate the total amount spent, which is done by sum of shipped quantity multiplied by price. Then ranks products per customer. For each customer, products are ranked by total money spent, highest first. Dense rank means if two products tie for first place, they both get rank equals 1. Step 3. Filtering for top products. We only select rows where the rank RK equals 1, meaning to keep only the top products. For each customer, if a customer has two products tied for first place, both appear. Orders the final result. First by total sale descending means biggest spenders on top. Then break ties by customer number. When executed, this query returns 165 rows. Let's look at some examples of the results. Customer Megan spent the most on rope braid NYL 8.8-inch WHT in the tools/hardware category, with a total of $960,000. Customers Sylvain, Donald, Darren, and Mike each spent around $500,000 on the Rambler 30-ounce white tumbler in the household category. Customers Ryan, Cindy, and Ron spent the most on rope DIA NYL 1.2-inch WHT in tools/hardware. This shows us that certain products are very popular and generate high sales across multiple customers. So what can we take away from this analysis? 1. Identify best-selling products. Products like the Rambler tumbler and nylon ropes dominate customer spending, making them crucial to revenue. 2. Customer loyalty to products. Many customers consistently spend the most on the same product, which highlights strong product loyalty. 3. Strategic decisions. Businesses may want to stock more of these high-demand products. Marketing campaigns can emphasize these popular products. Profitability can be compared across categories to guide future inventory decisions. To sum up, we successfully identified the top spending products for each customer by joining our three tables, calculating sales, ranking products, and filtering for the highest spend. This type of analysis is powerful for customer insights, sales forecasting, and strategic decision-making. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.